Hey guys, Paddy back again with another episode. So before we start, please go and hit subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. So this episode I'm just going to talk a little bit about eBay dropshipping, go over a few things in my store. Yeah, so let's get going. So if I open my listings page, my sellers hub, as you can see I've got so many listings. I'm not going to show you exactly how many. I want to keep that a secret so you just can't go and find my store. But as you can see, all my listings come to £3,429. I've got 19 watchers, which I think is pretty good, and I've got one out of stock. So Hustle Got Real is keeping up with my stock management, which I'm happy about. If you don't know what Hustle Got Real is, it's a eBay dropshipping software specifically for UK dropshippers. So if you're in the UK and you are starting an eBay dropshipping business, please go and check out Hustle Got Real, link in description below. But yeah, so as you can see, I've also had 2 sales, and I've been doing this for about, must be a week and a half or something now. Now I can't list any more at the minute. I've hit my listing limits, so I'm kind of hoping that they'll get automatically lifted for me. If not, I will be ringing up eBay to see if I can get my limits increased, and I'll probably do a video of me recording that as well. It is really frustrating for me though, because I've got so used to waking up in the mornings and listing 5 to 10 items, well mainly 5 items, but I've just incorporated that into my daily routine, and now I can't list, so that is really frustrating. But as I can't list, I'm just been watching YouTube videos, going over stuff, learning more and more about the eBay dropshipping business model. Now I did do a video a few days back talking about, I think it's 5 YouTubers, specifically eBay dropshipping YouTubers that you should follow. Now if you didn't see that video, I will link it right there up in the corner of the video. I highly suggest going and subscribing to all of them. They all have different methods when it comes to eBay dropshipping, so just go and check them out. Now I'm just going to go over to my performance tab, go to my summary so we can see this. Now obviously up here I am going to blur some of this out so you can't see my store name for reasons you probably know. So here we go. So the last 31 days, you can see my stats here. I've had 2 sales. What's that? Nearly just under a week apart. You know, I'm happy with my 2 sales. I obviously do want more sales, and I also know if I'm consistent with this business model, then the sales will follow. So what else shall I talk about? Let me scroll down a little bit. My selling costs, this is all beta. This is all kind of irrelevant because it doesn't show my insertion fees for all my other items. But as you can see here, my traffic, my listing impressions is over 25,000. My click-through rate is 0.4. And my listing page views 256. My sales conversion rate is 0.4 as well. So considering I've only started this recently, I am pretty happy with this. But one thing I do want to get into is running eBay promotions, you know, running eBay ads, because I've been looking into that recently, and as a dropshipper I think it's one of the best things we can do. I haven't come across pretty much any eBay dropshippers that utilize the eBay ad platform, you know, eBay promotional listings. Now, main reason I want to use it is because unlike other ad networks, you don't pay for clicks, you don't pay for impressions, you only pay when someone clicks your ad, goes through and buys the item. So considering we're dropshipping, we're not going out of pocket at all. We could simply mark up the price just a little bit more, or factor the ad cost into our item cost, if you understand what I'm saying. But to run eBay promotional listings, you do have to have an eBay store, a paid eBay store, which I currently do not. So that's a bit of a pain in the arse, but I'm guessing within the next month I'll be at the point where I'll be paying for a store, so I will be running promotional listings on eBay, and I will be recording it for you guys. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, also hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. See you again soon.